Rainy day in Manny. Got these two beauties in. Woohoo! Little scenery. Give you a little guess. So here she is, the beauty, the machine, the monster, whatever you want to call it. I'm gassed that we got this bad boy in, and hopefully many more to come. Thank you for everyone watching our journey so far. So we're going to start off with de-leafing it, get all these leaves off, getting put away for the winter, so we're going to give it the full clean. We're going to flex it at the end so it's protected and it's good for the customer over the winter period. But yeah, what a beast. I'm buzzing with this, guys, as you can tell. Thank you everyone for watching, thank you for subscribing. Let's go, I've got some good videos in the pipeline. Typical, it was a rainy day in Manchester, so we stuck the gazebo up to get on with it. We got the choice if we wanted to do it on a Saturday or a Sunday, and me being me, picked the Sunday. Let me know in the comments if you would have picked the Saturday or Sunday. Saturday was sunny, Sunday was raining, as you can see in the video. But I couldn't miss the opportunity to do this lovely car, and you guys would have missed out on a belting video. So we started off just getting the leaves out. We're still picking, make sure it's all safe and sound. Stay tuned for the next video. We got this one, lovely motor, but we'll go back to this one for now. Whoa. Wait till you hear the roar on this one at the end. It's an absolute beauty.
It's like being
sounds
on GTA.
Unbelievable too. Yeah, so the gazebo's holding up well. We've got the weights on either corner, big industrial one. There's a nice bit of room to go around the car.
Lovely weather for it as well. Just what we love in Manchester, rain.
So we're going to start off by using Nitty Gritty Pre-Wash by Dual Auto Care. Like I've said in every video at the minute, this is our go-to pre-wash. Nothing but good things to say about it. I'll drop a little link in the bottom so you guys can check it out yourself. And you know, if it's safe to use on this kind of motor, it's safe to use on any motor. Time to rinse off. This part's really important, guys. Make sure you pre-wash your cars and rinse it off before even grabbing your mitt. You've got to make sure that that dirt's gone, like all gone, because if you grab your mitt and go to town on a car like this expecting a hefty invoice coming your way, because that's all that's going to happen. You're rubbing dirt, scratch, 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 left to right, left to right. Good night. That's why it's always good to stick to the method. Use the right products, use the right tools. Don't just go and grab the fairy liquid out the drawer and get your brush from the back garden and go and attack the car in the front garden. Just stick to the plan and you can't go wrong. Pre-wash, snow foam, contact wash. Should be safe and sound with that method. Yeah, let me know in the comments as well how you wash your car at home. Don't hold back. You don't have to lie. Be as honest as you can. If you do grab the fairy liquid, drop it in the comments and say I grabbed the fairy liquid. And then we'll have to get you booked in. So expect a message if you do use the fairy liquid. Expect a message off me.
Looking brand new after a pre-wash.
Now it's time to snow foam. We're going in again with another Dual Auto Care product. Assault Snow Foam. Really good product, and we've got our snow foam lamps from Dual Auto Care again. Big up the guys down at Dual Auto Care every time. They look after us so much. Yeah, really good guys as well, really good product. If you're ever in Manchester, go pop into the shop. If you're not in Manchester, they've got a website, they've got a TikTok shop. Yeah, really good. Make sure you check them out. Right, so we're going to just let it sit for 5 minutes. Let it drag all the remaining dirt that the pre-wash didn't get off. So it's safe and sound to do the contact wash. Time to rinse off. I know you guys love this bit. So I'm not going to talk, I'm just going to let you enjoy it. But drop a comment, let me know how you think of this video. And if you're not subscribing already, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Appreciate it, highly appreciate it guys, for all the support. Crack on. Right, time for the money. We're using Dual Auto Care Bahama Blue. It's contact wash time. when it comes down to measurements, it's always good to use the right measurements. But when fellow detailers will tell you, fellow mobile valeters will tell you, the amount of times we pour it into the buckets and bottles, you kind of get it on smash every time. The rain started getting really heavy towards the end of washing this one. I honestly didn't think my phone was going to make it throughout the video. I recently dropped it coming out the van. So yeah, but it lived to tell the tale. Now it's the time you've all been waiting for, where we get hands on with this beauty and give it that good rub down it deserves. So we're using Bahama Blue by Dual Auto Care, and I've got a Dual Auto Care mitt.
This video is sponsored by Dual Auto Care.
No, it may as well be sponsored by them. The guys are great. They hooked us up with all this, made it work, put us on the TikTok shop, and now we're doing like an affiliate with them. So yeah, really good guys. At this point of the wash, I was loving it, but I felt like a drowned rat. You'll see in a minute when the water goes down the back, off the gazebo. Yeah, there you go. It was just getting worse and worse, but we had to. We were this far in. The camera going blurry. Yeah, like I said, I thought my phone was on its way out. But when you live in Manchester, you're used to this. 27 years old and had nothing but rain around this time of year. A few sunny days, but what we've come to realise is every day we go to work it rains, and every day we have off it's sunny. You can never win in Manchester, put it that way. Here she is, the beauty, all shining now, ready to go. Getting put down over the winter period, so it's all nice protected. We did do a flex, but the rain got too crazy, so we only made a short video. I'm going to stick it on the shorts, make sure you go check that out. But nice one for watching, guys. If you don't subscribe, make sure to subscribe already. Loads more videos to come. That transporter next door.
The rain killed us today, but nice one for watching. I'll catch you on the next one.